Are you struggling with the qtxml4.dll runtime failure ruining your workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to clear this error for good. Before the walkthrough for qtxml4, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the qtxml4, the Qt4 XML module. It provides unmanaged routines for parsing and validating XML data using DOM and SAX interfaces. It facilitates the orchestration of structured configuration manifests for applications built on the Qt4 framework. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. To fix this properly, reinstall Qt project. Go to the Microsoft website, download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables, and install them. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the qtxml4 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of qtxml4. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing qtxml4 dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and qtxml4 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.